Right, just wanted to shoot a video on the fly to give an update about Growth Lab. So this week has been reasonably productive actually. I spent quite a lot of time on LinkedIn reaching out to cleaning business owners. Have had a couple of calls lined up off the back of that. So the strategy behind LinkedIn is obviously it's a B2B marketplace essentially, and that's where I know I'll get quite a few successes in terms of getting leads, but calls to be able to offer the right cleaning businesses the benefits of the Growth Lab service. So the mistake I made in the first couple of days of spending time on LinkedIn was taking a bit of a haphazard approach. Then I dialed it back, checked out a few LinkedIn outreach, cold messaging, YouTube videos, and refined my approach. And since refining that approach, I have managed to get some positive responses, looking at getting 2 or 3 calls booked in for next week. I'm also getting a guest lined up for the Growth Lab podcast, which I'm going to be launching this month, and to interview them for the newsletter as well. So all in all, it has been fairly positive. Still working on the value proposition, making sure that I can refine that. Still working on the offer put forward to cleaning businesses. I know benefits that we can provide them if they work with the local Growth Lab, both the owners and the businesses themselves. It's just a case of making sure that that is explained and delivered in the right sort of way. So that has been what has been outstanding really in terms of work. But look, we are making progress, which is good. And obviously I had a call as well on Wednesday with Toby, who works for PC company based in Nigeria. They have an office in the UK. He was looking to get some advice because they're buying their first UK cleaning company, turnover about 1.2 million, mainly focused on commercial cleaning. The long-term game is to roll up a few of these types of businesses and then start creating a facilities management business in the UK. So they'll be rolling up other home and property service businesses. I was able to give him some pointers in terms of what to look out for in the first 30 days, 90 days, what to focus on in terms of automation, that sort of stuff. So I think all in all, it was a valuable call. I've got a follow-up scheduled up with him as well because they're closing on their agreement by the start of next week. And I'm going to put forward a proposal because I speak with a load of cleaning companies anyway. I can help them find the next suitable companies to enable them to grow their business here in the UK. So that's going to be interesting to see whether or not I can develop that relationship. Other than that, full steam ahead with the Growth Lab. Here in Brighton, just walking my daughter. So going to be looking forward to doing a few more of these vlogs. I know they're a bit rough and ready right now, so apologies for that, but thanks for tuning in anyway.